How to download Steam on your PC. Firstly, what you have to do is you're gonna have to open up your browser. It doesn't matter what browser it is. Then once you open your browser, you're gonna have to search up Steam download. Then once you do that, click on the first link. Now it should take you to this page right here. Click on install Steam. This should download right here. So just open this. Now from here, next, click on install. As you guys can see, Steam just downloaded, so click on finish. Then it should say updating Steam, so just wait for a while. Now from here, you're gonna have to either create an account if you don't have one, or you could just log in. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna just log in. Then once you log in or create an account, it should take you to this page right here. And as you guys can see, I am in Steam. I could basically download any games I want. You have many games available right here. For example, right here, if I search up GTA, as you guys can see, GTA just came up. All versions of GTA I could download. So if this would help you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.